Hey guys, Ed here. Today we have this 2020 GMC Terrain, and in this quick video I'd like to show you how to replace and change your taillight bulbs in this truck. So let's start. So first thing, what we're gonna do, I'm gonna show you on this passenger side. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna remove these two covers, this one and this one. So let's start. Just using a screwdriver, carefully remove cover 1 and cover number 2, like this. Alright, here we have, if I get it right, T10, yes, it looks like T10 screws. So we're gonna remove these two screws, this one and this one. So get them out. Alright, so once we have our screws out, I'm just going to put them there. Now what we have to do, we have to pull the light towards us, like this. Okay, don't force it to the side, you might break a pin, so just pull it towards yourself. I find it easier if you're going to take just a screwdriver, you can put some tape over it if you're afraid to scratch paint, and little by little, it's very hard to film this, you're just gonna try to wiggle the light out. I'll put you guys here so you could maybe you'll be able to see it. So I'm putting my screwdriver here, but again, don't over force it. If you're gonna over force it, you're gonna crack the light. Little by little by little. Okay, in this case it went out very easy. Usually it's gonna take much harder. Okay, in this case it came out like really easy. Okay, as you can see, it's gonna leave some marks like this, but it's fine, nobody can see them. Now, the bulb's right here. You're gonna spin it, and here it is. If you're gonna take it off, just gonna take it with your fingers and just pull it off. Get the new bulb, put the bulb back in place, you're all set. Okay, as you can see, this one is simple. That's it. Once you have replaced it, same way, align these. The spin goes inside, and that one on the bottom also. You're gonna use two hands, so you don't scratch more stuff. But again, if you're gonna use screwdriver, be very gentle. Don't over force it. You might crack the light, and then you just have to get well, you can on eBay you can buy used light. Okay, so just let's put it back in. With one hand it's very hard to do. With hands it's much easier. So everything should be nice and aligned. Once it's aligned and nice, you're going to put two screws back in place. This is regarding this light. If you're going to have to change this light here, well, over here you can only pretty much change the reverse backup light. If you have to change this thing, what you're going to do, you're going to take screwdriver T10, this one, not T20, no, T10, this one, and remove this screw in here. Hope you guys can see it. So this screw in here, it goes out. Now once you have the screw out, it's out. Now you should be able to just grab somewhere here. Also you can use a screwdriver, and you're gonna try to unclip this. Try to grab somewhere. Basically what you want to do, the thing is, the whole thing, this panel is being held down by clips. Just clip, and what you have to do, you have to just unclip. We're gonna find one spot, oh, like this, then it goes easy, as you can see. Okay, but this is fine. Okay, so if it's all read like this, it's fine. Here you have a bulb right here. So if you have to replace it, the best way is to get pliers. Any pliers will do. And we're gonna grab on a light, spin it, get it out. Look what happened. Okay, now eventually you're gonna get it out. Here again, if you have to change it, just pull it off and put it back in. Okay, so and putting back is pretty much the same procedure. You're just gonna put the light back in and then just clip the panel back on and put the screw in, and you're gonna be all set. Okay guys, this is it. If it helped, please press like button. Have a great day. Bye bye.